whipping up. Today's poem is The Fall of a Bird by Dillard. The mockingbird took a single step into the air and dropped. His wings were still folded against his sides, as though he were singing from a limb and not falling, accelerating 32 feet per second through the empty air. Just a breath before he would have been dashed to the ground, he unfurled his wings with exact, deliberate care, revealing the broad bars of white, spread his elegant, white-banded tail, and so floated onto the grass. I had just rounded the corner when his insouciant step caught my eye. There was no one else in sight. The fact of his free fall was like the old philosophical conundrum about the tree that falls in the forest. The answer must be, I think, that beauty and grace are performed whether or not we will or sense them. The least we can do is try to be there.